Hello, today we have a little bit of a different video here because we have a mission.
Today we are the construction workers. We're gonna build a house for the little puppies Julia found.
Yes, our dog Petunia had 5, we don't even know how many, I think 5 or 6 puppies. And I'm gonna show you where she had them. We don't know how she got in there or how she even managed to build this whole thing.
Oh, she's still there.
Hello, Petunia. Hello. So basically she had her puppies down there and we want to build them a nice little house closer to our trailer. Miguel and I, we never had dogs, so this is our chance to learn something and give them a nice little house. They're about 2 days old now, I think. So let's see. Watch us making them their new little home. Material that we need.
We think we do.
We think we do. Let's see if we can make a house out of this. Now we need to pick a spot. I don't even know where. Where do you think we should put them?
We'll go here.
Here?
Yeah, I think that's the...
Right next to us. So we cleaned up a little bit. This is gonna be the spot. What are the next steps, Miggy?
We're gonna take these nails out of the wood. That way the puppies don't get hurt. And then we'll start drilling some pieces to the cardboard. Okay?
Okay.
These two will go on the sides. These will come kind of across. We'll put the walls. And then the roof, that's the lid on that one, this one. Okay.
This is for you!
You can't check out our house?
This is for you! You checking on your construction site, Petunia? Huh? You checking on your construction site? Look, this is gonna be for you. What's next, me?
We'll put these walls next.
Next, the walls.
We'll put these walls next.
3 of them. 3 of them.
Yes, 3 of them.
3 of them. We realized that one wall is a bit longer than the other one, so Miguel's gonna try his tool.
Gonna use this tool.
Ooh. To cut the wall. Excuse the mess.
Oh, that's gonna be nice, actually.
So this is gonna be the back of the house. It's a bit too long as well, so Miggy, you can use your tools again.
So we have to mark it with a nail.
Where is it?
Now we have to take it to the workbench.
The workbench next to the gas tank. perfect.
Oh, it is perfect. Fucking funny.
My job is gonna be the interior design of the house, by the way. That's why. Right now I'm just assistant, but my job starts in a bit. Decorating and bringing the puppies. Made a tiny door that we can close and open, and Petunia can enter and exit. Oh. Which way?
Well, I was thinking shoving it in here.
Time to get the puppies.
Now that the mission is accomplished, we built the house. It's time to go get these puppies.
We're a bit scared that Petunia is gonna get upset because she doesn't know what's going on. So we'll try to manage the whole situation. Get her down and get the puppies down.
Yeah. There's a box up there. We're gonna try to get the box, put all the puppies in the box, and then just try to grab Petunia as well, see if she comes with us. I hope she doesn't freak out. But it's all for a better cause, so she better understand.
Yeah, let's see how the move goes.
We're approaching the destination.
This is the current situation.
This is their current living situation. There's a lot of mess here because of some issues we've had with the construction, but we're gonna get them out of this mess. Oh, there's Petunia. She's like peeking just to see who's coming.
Petunia! Hello!
Come on, come on.
Come.
I think she trusts us. She
Yeah.
went away and made some room for...
I think she knows what's going on. We're moving! We're moving! Okay.
You wanna grab them?
Yeah. Petunia, come!
Okay, Julia's gonna start with the extraction. This is our box. We're gonna transport them in here.
Come, Petunia!
Let's go. There's the first baby. Oh, this is like a black/brown one.
Yeah.
We're gonna call this one Caramel.
Caramel. Petunia!
Hopefully they don't...
Come.
This is Canelita.
It's a bit dirty
Come on.
here. Sorry, guys. Petunia, it's all good. It's all good. All good.
Oh, this is a little...
They all
that one
have
too.
different colors.
Yeah, this is like a little darker one.
Come, Petunia.
Oh, this is very black.
This looks like her.
Yeah. So the father is a very modern father. He basically had these. He got Petunia pregnant and then he disappeared. We haven't seen him since. So now we have to, take care of these babies. Oh, this is a completely different one.
I think that's it.
With white
It's
mark.
5.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like it's 5. We thought it was 6. Come on. You think that's it?
You wanna check?
Yeah, I'll check.
Miguel, we're gonna do the last check.
Come on. Maybe she's gonna grab her.
Oh, maybe that's...
What's she digging?
What
Is she trying to show us something?
Let's go. Let's find your house.
What's she doing?
I don't know. Petunia, come.
Come on. Come on.
Come. Okay. Come, Petunia. Come.
Come on. Come on.
Petunia, come. Come. Good girl. Okay, mission completed. See you next time. Ciao.
See you on our next adventure.